All right, here's a new app that pays Uber and Lyft drivers up to $1,000 a month. You know what? I think, and this is TikTok Shop, and I actually do think that Uber drivers and Lyft drivers are one of the or gig workers are one of the best candidates to be successful in TikTok Shop because they're hardworking. They're not afraid to put in time and effort, and they have usually like free time on their hands, especially in between rides. And a lot of what's it called? A lot of videos in the cars do well, right?
Yeah, no, they do. I see a lot of those.
Yeah, because they're like super relatable. So basically you can make money on TikTok Shop selling products like, I don't know, can you pull me up on the screen or no? Make me full screen? I guess I can just stop sharing for a second.
I can do this thing. Wait. Are you ready?
Yeah. Just make me big enough because I have some products I was going to show with them. I can't see it. Can you see me? Okay. Okay, guys. So, oh, this is nice. Okay, so guys, this is one of the products that you can promote on TikTok Shop. It's a digital camera. It's only $25, but you get like $3 per sale. So you can show this on TikTok Shop and make little videos with it, literally saying like, oh, if you want to take photos for summer, buy this camera. Here is a mouthwash pulling oil. This is a good one too. Oh, let me put them in front of my face. This is another one. I don't know how well you can see it, but if you want to learn how to do this and make money, people are making thousands a month doing it.
Yeah.
Click the link below and sign up for a 30-day free trial and get access to my course program where we go over it all, teach you how to set everything up step by step, walk you through what you need to do to get monetized. Once you're monetized, how to start getting money. This is a little game. This one literally costs $1, but the commission is like 70 cents or something. And it's a little dumb. What?
That's not bad.
And then this is pimple patches. Can you see?
Yeah. Kind or
if I put my face in front of it. There we go. These are little pimple patches, guys. How much are these? Like $5? $3?
Less, yeah, like $3, $4.
So yeah, basically you just make little videos with the stuff, guys. And here's another product. It's a little like adapter for your MacBook, so you can actually load like SD cards and stuff. And yeah, you just make like videos with it. But yeah, you can go back to the normal screen. Basically, you can make good money promote on TikTok Shop because they're trying to compete with eBay, Amazon. Just honestly,
Temu.
What?
Temu,
yeah. Shein, all these like companies, like they want basically people now to just, I mean, people are already scrolling on TikTok for hours, so now they're just like, all right, well, might as well have them buy products in the app, and then TikTok obviously makes a percentage of every single sale, so they're making millions and millions of dollars doing this. Yeah. But it's a huge bet because they're actually using that money to give coupons to users to spend money in the app. And so it's like a lot of times the user will have coupons and then it's cheaper for them and then you get the sales. So anyways, that's basically what TikTok Shop is. If you want to check out the link below and sign up, and you can grab a membership, a 30-day free trial right now.